So this is a video on how to do take a picture of your ID and to do your environmental scan, which is now required for all of your quizzes. And for ID, I just found some old ones from mine. This is when I used to work at Mid-High. You need to put it right in the screen to make sure, and then you click to take the image of it. When you're ready and you're asked to do the environmental check, it'll click OK, and it'll probably give you another opportunity if you don't like what you saw. I'm not going to review what I see, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan, make an attempt to scan my work area and the wall at least to within a certain, not necessarily 180 degrees, but at least 120, where your eyes are likely to be from the screen from here to here on today's widescreen. So when you're ready, you would click the go ahead to do your scan, and then you would need to pick up your device. And then you're going to turn it around, and then you're going to show your area. And then when you're done, you would click OK, and then it will likely give you a chance to review it. And if it's OK, then you can proceed from there. That's the basic idea there. You want to make sure this is done properly. I need to be able to see your work area overall, and that's the point to the environmental check, is just to make sure there's nothing there that may be used inappropriately. Let me know if you have any questions, and keep in mind this requirement needs to be done correctly if you wish to receive credit for your assessments that you take. Thank you for watching this video and getting to me with any questions you may have or concerns.